there's one thing we are truly blessed in the plant world is that almost annually we get a surprise of something brand new. Then I start getting super excited because I get told about it like 9 months before. It's like waiting for a child, you know. I've then got to wait for the plant, I read about it, I look at pictures about it, and then finally I get my hands on it. And this is one such. Bred by amazing breeders which hop literally between Germany and South Africa to create the perfect growing conditions. And this is a cousin, a new variety of a Euphorbia, which, let's break the Euphorbia down. Euphorbia is like the poinsettia, like the red plant that we have at Christmas time on our tables. They've got a little bit of sap if you squeeze the leaf or if you break it off. But we know Diamond Frost, which was the first ever Euphorbia to hit the streets, literally, of South Africa, probably about 10 years ago. And Diamond Frost has been an exceptional plant for many gardeners all across South Africa, from hanging baskets to pots, into garden beds, low, compact, white flowers all year round. And now we have, drum roll, Tickled Pink. I love it, I love it. We were involved in helping to name this plant, and that's why I've got such a big, cheesy, broad smile. It really has been a plant that has been in the making for many, many years, and here is Euphorbia Tickled Pink. Beautiful dark foliage. The foliage does become greener as the temperatures warm up and as we go more into the summer. Great container plant, the same attributes as Euphorbia Diamond Frost. And probably for me, the best part is that I know I'm now getting this lovely pink, which is literally just like little snowflakes. So, another plant to put on your hit list, and I must have, because I want to have another plant, is Euphorbia Tickled Pink.